Hi guys, this your girl Queen See Me, and I am back with another breakfast mukbang, guys. Okay, so hope you guys are feeling good and in a good place and ready to sit down and enjoy eating with your girl Queen See Me. So can you see me? Can you see me now? How about now? Cool, that's what's up. All right, guys, your girl about to jump right into this food. I am hungry. All right, and what I have is grits, some vegan sausages, and some eggs. And that's it. That's all I have. Okay, so, and I have my awa, and I have a detox water, so I'm gonna probably be drinking this more so. So that's the mint leaves, the lemon, and the cucumbers, guys. And I let it infuse overnight, and that's what I'll be drinking. Also, I do like my organic strawberry fruit spread, okay? I like to put that on my grits and my eggs. It tastes so good. All right, guys, so thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment in my body. And I pray for the less fortunate, and I pray that this food does not harm me in any way. And I thank you for every day, for this day, and everything I have, how far you've brought me. And I pray for my FizzFam Loyals, that you keep them and protect them and keep them safe, Father, in your heavenly name. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Amen. Okay, I'm kind of hoarse still. Not as bad. I'm feeling better. Okay, I'm getting better. My cough has calmed down significantly, so I'm very happy about that. And I hope if any of you guys are not feeling well, that you, wishing you a speedy recovery, blowing you hugs, throwing you hugs and blowing you kisses. That you feel I was going to say throwing you hugs. Well, that too. Okay. All right, so I'm going to dig right in. I love this jelly on these eggs and grits. Oh my God. I got some pico in my grits. I usually put it in my eggs as well, but I got pico in my grits. So that's like, they really taste good. It has mango in it and all of that, and cucumbers, and not cucumbers, I'm sorry, bell peppers, red peppers, and tomatoes, and they're like yellow peppers, a little bit of everything, onions. So, anyways, these are so good, vegan sausages. They taste really good. It tastes like sausages in their own way, but they have a flavor to them, and they're really good. Here, guys, let me feed you guys some. Use my left hand. Here you go. Good, wasn't it? You guys know I gotta feed y'all, so I gotta give y'all some of this sausage. Let me give y'all some vegan sausage. Here, I'll take a bite of that. Okay, y'all did that. That's what's up. Thank y'all. I'm glad y'all like it. Comment below if you like breakfast for dinner. I like breakfast for dinner sometimes. I might eat it for breakfast and I'll eat it for dinner. Yeah, so that jelly sure make it taste good. Well, not jelly, fruit spread. It's not jelly, it's fruit spread. Just give it so much more flavor. So good. Comment what you guys' favorite breakfast is. Let's have a little conversation going in the chat. What's your favorite breakfast? And I'm starting to pin people to the top of the chat that has, you know, pretty cool comments, you know. So I'll be looking out for that. That comment that stands out. Okay, guys, so after this mukbang, I now do little workouts sometimes. Not every mukbang, but some mukbangs I'm going to be doing a workout. So you'll know when I'm doing it because I'll have it in the chat title. Well, not the chat, but the title, the subject. So If you want to do it with me, you'll know because you'll see it in the title, Mukbang plus workout. So if you feel like it, if you're a person that already exercises or somebody that wants to start, but you might want to modify your workout, but make sure you speak with your doctor first, okay? Can't jump right into that. All right. I'll be doing 25 jumping jacks, 25 squats, 10 kicks on each leg, 10 to 15 push-ups, maybe more, and 25 sit-ups, and some weights, and the elliptical. I may do the elliptical just a little bit, but I'll be continuing to do the elliptical after the video is completed regardless. So I'll keep going on that. So oh, that's so good. Oh, excuse me. All right, so stay tuned for that. Guys, you should check out Rita. I think it's Rita Walker. She made a banana pudding on her channel, and it looks so good. I have not had a taste for banana pudding lately, but she made me almost consider eating some. I hardly ever eat desserts on here, so I am going to be eating a dessert on here. My taste buds have to be ready for desserts. I just don't eat sweets like that. Gonna drink this after my workout. Oh, I get a good burping and get my water down. It feels good. Don't need it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into my outfit, guys. Here I am, all ready. Got my weights on and everything. I got my weights on. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got on my US weights. All right, so let's get this thing jumping. All right, so about to do my jumping jacks. guys, that's gonna do it for me and my workout. I'm on my elliptical now, okay? And I got my detox I'm sipping on. Okay, guys. Whew. Yeah, so next time, if you know you would like to try to do these workouts with me, you know to have your weights. I put on my, you can use anything for a weight, whatever's comfortable for you. And I put on my gloves. I like to put on my gloves and my ankle weights. Okay, so anywho, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'm gonna get with you guys next time. I will see you guys tomorrow, possibly, because I have another new mukbang I'll be doing. I should be. Maybe me and Nana. I haven't seen her for a minute. All right, so this is your girl, Queen Simi. It's been real. Love you guys. Take care. Peace, love, and light. And I am out.
Thank you so much for watching FizzFam Loyals. And please be sure to turn on that post notification bell.